Online Information Incorporated.
Good evening, everybody, and thank you so much for this award and recognition, which really validates the work we have been doing at CRPI for about 43 years now. It's really an honor and a privilege to be catalysts for financial inclusion, making sure that prosperity and inclusion is really open to all. So this will inspire us to continue with our legacy, really, that nobody, not one single Filipino is left behind. Thank you.